Hello guys, how are you doing? My name is Abdel Salim Garba. I'm a chartered accountant and influencer on YouTube. I created this YouTube channel to give to young African people advice about entrepreneurship, personal development and employment, because we are convinced that the development of Africa cannot achieve without the involvement of young African people. We need to be a part of the development of this continent. Today, I will share with you the second part of the summary of the book, the bestseller, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People of Stephen Covey. So yesterday, I already talk about the first three habits. And I talked about proactivity. You need to be proactive. Take responsibility of your own life. Second habit, you need to know where you are going, because there is no favorable wine for guys who don't know where they are going. The third one is to give priorities to priorities. So today I will share, if you did not watch, you have not already watched our videos, the previous one, please don't forget to go to watch them, and please subscribe if you are not subscribed at this time. Thanks for watching our videos. Today I will share with you the second part of our advice, our summary of this book. So in Stephen Covey, what he said that before to win in public, you need to win in private. Win in private means that you master the first three habits: proactivity, know where you are going, and give priorities to priorities. Now, the fourth habit number 4 is think win-win. The 7 habits of the highly effective people knows that in every situation, in every game, in every business, in life, usually, if you want to win, you need to think in win-win for you and for your partners, for other people you are in relation on, because you cannot win if other people lose something. If you want to really win something, you need to think in win-win system, a win-win system for your partners. This is the fourth habit of highly effective people to be successful in their life usually. Habit number 5, you need to learn to understand other people. You need to learn to understand, to listen very carefully other people before to be understood. You need to learn to understand very well other people before to be understood. What's this habit? Why is this habit is very important? Because of, you know that in every situation you need to know that the opinion of other people, you need to very listen carefully to try to understand the opinion of other people. The main reason that why they act like they act, to understand very well their vision, their passion, their opinion before to take action or to give any response. This will give you a lot of information to make great deals, to make better decisions, to to have great relations with other people. Usually guys think that when somebody is talking, they just they just wait and give them a response, give them answer just to contradict them. This is not a game. No. If you want to progress, if you want to be successful in life, you need to learn to understand very well your partners before try to be understood. This is the best way to be effective in life. Habit number 6. Use synergy. What does mean synergy? Synergy means that 1 + 1 is equals more than 2. Synergy means that you and another people, when you combine your efforts, it generates an enormous, great results that you cannot have if you just go by yourself individually. So try to use synergy. For example, in football, basketball, in sport, you will see the impact of synergy. Even if you have a defender, you have the goalkeeper, you cannot just win a football match with only a goalkeeper. You cannot win a football match with only a defender. What is important is to combine the effort of many people to give a lot of value, a lot of results. That's how people become very effective in life, because they know how to use synergy. So how to use other people efforts to combine to them and make great things and make extraordinary results. For example, another example, if you just take this YouTube channel, succeed in Africa, know that Abdel Salim Garba cannot be successful alone. Impossible. There is a lot of people behind the scenes, because every guys, we are working together as a team, as one body. So we try together to give a lot of value. So in every aspect of your business, you need to know, of your life too, you need to know that if you want to be more successful and more effective, you need to work together, work with other people, and take advantage of synergy. Habit number 7. Sharpen your faculties. Sharpen your faculties. What is important in this habit? You need to know, you must know, you have to know that if you don't try to sharpen your faculties, your mental faculties, your physical faculties, your spirit faculties, you will have difficulties to be effective. And Stephen Covey said that there is 4 aspects of our personality we need to sharpen. The first one is physical aspect. So to sharpen our physical aspect, we need to make sport, to take care of what we are eating, and take care of ourselves. The second aspect is mental aspect. Said that for mindset aspect, you need to read more, you need to work on your vision, reflect on your vision, take more action, make more planification, make more plan more, and take a lot of time to work on your vision. The third aspect you need to work on is social emotional aspect. Social emotional aspect is related to building the relations with other people, building relations with your friends, with your colleagues, with your family, with your partners. And the last one aspect he said that you need to work is the spirit aspect. If you need to take care, you need to know that if you are Muslim or if you are Christian, take care of your religion, etc. All of things, or meditation of all of things that help you to build yourself, to become a better version of yourself. So these are the 7 habits for highly effective people for Stephen Covey. I hope that these 7 habits will be useful for you and you really appreciate it. Don't hesitate to put us the like if you appreciate. Please don't forget to share it, subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe in our videos. Thanks for watching our videos and take care. Cheers. See you tomorrow.